incidence of premature births, stillborns and maternal deaths in the country. There is a belief that part of the cause of the high figures is due to herbal intoxication during pregnancies and post-birthing. The Eastern Cape Health Department is tackling the issue and is engaging traditional healers to produce a uniform approach in dispensing traditional medicine in this area. Let's take a look.
Rural people have been using traditional medicines since time immemorial. Many don't believe in any other medicine. Traditional healers also treat pregnant women and their newborns.
This one is taken by a 6 months pregnant woman. It helps them to fast-track labor so that they can give birth naturally and avoid a C-section. This one is taken by babies to treat colic. A baby who drinks this will not always be sickly.
The drive is now to standardize the dosages of traditional medicines used in the gynecological field.
There is a high infant mortality rate in this area, and which we think it could be caused by the overdose of traditional medicines. So we have forged a partnership with the traditional leaders so that we develop guidelines, or we use the guidelines we have as the department so as to standardize the use of traditional medicines so that they do not clash with the drugs that we use in the hospitals or the healthcare facilities.
We don't reject Western medicine. We also interact with people with seizures who might not be helped by Western medicine but might be helped by traditional medicine. After assessing them, we conclude that traditional medicine is the best.
Role players agreed at this meeting that pregnant women should rather be referred to health facilities and that herbal medicines that can complicate pregnancies should be avoided. SABC News, Ntabankulu.
We're still at home, and the Disaster Management Department at the Nelson Mandela Bay has had a busy few days assisting communities affected by localized flooding across the metro. Well, the city did measure between 40 and 50 millimeters of rain since Friday already. Well, there you have those visuals now. More than 400 people have been temporarily displaced. The affected areas include Airport Valley, KwaNobuhle and Chati. Displaced residents were accommodated at schools and community halls. The Social Security Agency, SASSA, and private donors supplied the affected families with blankets, mattresses and food. The head of disaster management in the city, Shane Brown, says the worst is indeed over for now. Well, time to take a look at those weather details, rainfall and heavy snowfalls in part of the country.
A very good day and welcome. Let's have a look at what's happening across the country as well as the rest of Africa. Looking at today's conditions, there is a high pressure just sitting over the southern parts of the country. For today, expecting no rainfall, so all the snow, heavy rainfall has cleared over the country for today, just mainly fine conditions. But looking at our temperatures, we are starting to recover. Cape Town expecting a maximum of